Hello everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we have been discussing some of the benefits of becoming an Odoo partner. Today, we will be sharing how to make a stronger impact by having a solid footprint on the Odoo Partner reference page. Being featured on the Odoo Partner Services page is an excellent way to increase traffic to your website, as well as to attract new customers. Having this online presence is key to being an integrated member of the greater Odoo ecosystem, as well as an important marketing tool. Instead of listing off the features and benefits of the Odoo Partner Service page, let's actually go online and see how, in fact, having a presence online with Odoo can be used to your advantage. I am first going to www.odoo.com/partners. You can click on the link below to access the page at home. Here we are on the web page, and we can see the main menu with the filtering feature to see the list of various partner categories. There's Gold, Silver, Ready, and Learning, as well as the different countries where partners are located. Because we are in the US, my page automatically defaults to the partners in the US, and as you can see, are divided up by the different categories instead of by state. Many of our partners work all over the country and will travel directly to their customers. Now let's take a look at one of our Gold partners to see how their page is set up. The first thing we see is the partner certification. In this example, we see that this partner, in this case, Open Source Integrators, is certified in several versions of Odoo. We see version 11 through 13. This lets your potential customers know that you are certified on those specific versions of Odoo, and that you as a partner have mastered a high level of functional knowledge. Next, we see a brief description of the value proposition and any accolades you may have earned. Remember that you want to practice the 3 C's when writing your description. You want to be compelling, concise, and clear in your messaging. Are you more focused on identifying workflow challenges, change management, supply chain issues, etc.? Be sure to inform your potential customers on what you actually do. Lastly, we see the various customer reviews. I would say that reviews in this day and age are critical in establishing your credibility as an Odoo partner. As a new partner, you may not have any Odoo customers yet. However, if you have worked with customers or clients in the past in any capacity, ask for a review on your customer service skills and overall IT knowledge and work ethic. Reviews help potential customers gauge if you are the right fit for their project. All in all, remember to invest in your future and in the success of your business. If you are interested in launching an exciting business opportunity, I highly encourage you to touch base with one of our passionate partnership managers to better understand how implementing Odoo is truly a recipe for success. Again, as always, thank you so much for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all!